Hey everyone, Cameron here. Today I'm doing a full Sellvia review and I'll walk you through the real pros and cons compared to Shopify and AutoDS. So, if you've been researching Sellvia dropshipping or trying to just understand how Sellvia is different from usual platforms, this video should help you clear things up and give you an idea of what the pros and cons are to see if Sellvia is right for you. Okay, let's get into it. So this is my Sellvia dashboard right now. Here on the homepage, you can see like the normal things, total sales, processing credits, product count, and your estimated business value. It's a small thing, but it's nice to have if you think about in the long term, maybe you want to sell your store. If you scroll down from this page, you can see the first steps checklist. Now, I would say this is a pro for beginners because everything is laid out so you know exactly where to start. Shopify does give guidance, but not in this step-by-step way. And AutoDS does have a help center, but it's not structured like this inside the dashboard. Okay, that's it for the dashboard. Let's check out the orders section. So here on the orders page, you can see your analytics, filters, and all-time stats. It's pretty standard. I'd only need to hit process order and pay the supplier the base product price. That's manual processing. There's also an automatic option. For that, I just need enough processing credits in my account, and when a new order comes in, Sellvia will handle everything on its own. Pretty cool, pretty standard, but it makes things nice and simple. Okay, now I want to show you guys something pretty rare. Sellvia has automated promotion right inside the platform. This is fully ready to launch marketing servicing that pushes your products on Amazon, Google, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. Shopify doesn't have anything like this built in, and neither does AutoDS. For beginners, this is a massive time saver. Especially when people ask me how to start ads without experience, this is usually where Sellvia really stands out. It's helpful, especially if you don't want to spend weeks testing creative after creative. Okay, on the left side, let's open the Marketplace tab. Here we can see a marketplace where you can buy ready-made stores that already generate a profit. If you're not interested in building a store from scratch, this speeds things up a lot. Shopify does have Exchange Marketplace, but it was shut down for many sellers and is not really as beginner-friendly anymore. AutoDS doesn't offer store buying or selling, so Sellvia definitely takes the point here. Okay, our next section we're going to check is reports. You get the standard unique visitors, orders, conversion rate, and average order value. Easy to read and pretty standard across all platforms. All right, next we're going to go on to the Insights tab. This is something I really like. Here you can see the weekly bestsellers and the new hits of the week with their profit margins, and you can add these straight to your store. I can see this being really useful if you're trying to grow or if you want a better product rotation. I really like this feature. It also helps if you're doing a lot of high ticket drop shipping because you can see which ticket items are performing well. Shopify doesn't really give you winning product suggestions and AutoDS doesn't share product ideas, but Sellvia's list is fully tied to fast US shipping. So the success rate is usually a lot higher. Okay, next let's take a look at the success strategy. This page gives you a checklist of things to fix or improve in your store. Product count, branding suggestion, marketing gaps, or whatever it is that needs to be fixed or improved. You can follow this manually, or you can use Sellvia's paid service packages to handle it for you. Nothing like this exists on Shopify, and AutoDS has some tips in their blog, but not a built-in step-by-step checklist connected to your store's actual stats. So I think this is another point for Sellvia just because, like I said, for beginners, this is amazing. I really, really like this feature. Okay, moving on, let's check out products. Here, of course, you're going to find the full catalog of product packages with a rating and something called a Sellvia score. The nice part is that Sellvia offers weekly and monthly packages, niche and seasonal packs, and even brand and digital products. Something I would say you should keep in mind is don't add everything. You have to keep your niche very tight, but it is really nice that Sellvia keeps the catalog updated so you don't have to spend so much time researching products like you would on Shopify. AutoDS definitely has a much bigger catalog, but many items take a long time to ship since they're from China. Okay, let's take a look at the marketing section. So here you've got a wide range of marketing tools for blog posts, social media promotion, email marketing, and a lot more. So if you're not really sure how to make creatives or promote your store yet, Sellvia can really help you with that. Shopify has some apps for all of this, but you need to set them up yourself, and AutoDS gives some templates but not full campaigns. So once again, I'd say Sellvia here is much easier for beginners. Okay, next we're going to look at sales channels. You can connect to Amazon, which means you can start selling there and place your products by uploading one file to list everything on Amazon. It's really convenient and fast to set up. Okay, then there's rewards and bonuses, which gives discounts and perks for high-performing stores. Nothing too major, but another nice feature to have. Next, let's look at the Learn tab. Here, of course, you're going to find guides, courses, and success stories from actual Sellvia users. Once again, if you're a beginner, these videos are going to help a lot. And AutoDS and Shopify both have education sections too, but Sellvia's is more focused on actual store owners that are using the same system, which is really great. Okay, we're almost done. The last part is our My Store tab on the left. This is where we're going to find our store settings. You've got things like the domain settings where you can change the domain name for your store, themes and exclusive themes so you can choose a pre-made design or customize the store the way you like it. Shopify does offer more themes and customization, but most of the good themes are paid for. AutoDS doesn't really provide store themes at all. You still need Shopify or another platform for your storefront. So let's fully go over the pros and cons. Sellvia pros are fully built-in marketing tools, beginner-friendly dashboard, store marketplace, a success checklist, integrated ads and creative support, easy Amazon connection, and it's really great for people who want a more done-for-you setup. The cons are it's got a smaller product catalog than AutoDS, fewer design customization options than Shopify, and it works best for people who like simplicity, not a deep technical setup. So if you're someone who has lots of years of experience, you might prefer more customization than what Sellvia offers. All right, that is my full look at Sellvia compared to Shopify and AutoDS. If you want more videos like this or a Sellvia tutorial, just let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.